Arxzm's risk and trade management software, Fortress, offers countless opportunities to instantly gain a trading edge. Scalpers, position builders, scalers, day, swing or grid traders, whatever the market approach, Fortress empowers traders. Through Fortress's ticket segregation structure, we can easily build comprehensive management plans, tailored to respond to any number of market threats and to potential opportunities which otherwise may be missed. Fortress can semi or fully automate our trade management. By relying on just some of Fortress's features to increase our efficiency, we can safely scale our trading to successfully manage more trades at once and keep up with fast-paced markets. Or we can fully automate our trading to ensure we optimize our market timing 24 hours a day. By leveraging Fortress to automate our trade management, we simply become better traders, maximizing profitable trades and minimizing losses. Okay, let's check out Fortress in action. Although we can use Fortress to assist with our live trading, for this example, let's consider an open trade that we are no longer able to monitor. Rather than rolling the dice that our stop isn't hit locking in a loss, we'll build a robust trade management plan using Fortress. We'll create a basket for this order to protect it from unnecessary losses by setting the stop loss manager. Once 15 pips profit are realized, a stop will be created to cover the spread. We'll also set the PL locker to operate as a stop. By relying on the PL lock for protection from losses, we eliminate the need to have a stop order visible on the broker's books, which would be an easy target for hunting. The PL lock also allows us to instantly set the risk. Our trade now has some essential protection. Now let's plan for potential price action responses to technical levels. This strong technical barrier might hold and put our trade in jeopardy. In another basket, we set the PL locker to activate at the barrier, and then to lock profits if price retraces back to the lock line. To optimize our market timing, we'll set a close filter to exit the position if the RSI becomes overbought on the daily time frame. It has historically been a good indication of pullbacks and reversals for this particular currency pair. A third basket is created to control risks of an upcoming data release. We'll choose a custom session time to close the order before the release. We'll set the profit threshold to ensure that closing only occurs if our profits are greater than this baseline amount. In addition to limiting risks of the data release, we'd also like to capitalize on the potential to profit from it. If price responds to the data by pushing beyond this technical barrier, we'll have more confidence to add a scale-in leg to this position. To account for volatility around the release time, we'll confine our entry to a price range and use a custom session time, waiting at least 5 minutes after the release to enter. This will help avoid false breakouts and whipsaws. So far, we have created several baskets to manage individual tickets, each basket designed to respond to possible market scenarios. Yet, we can also combine tickets in one basket to manage them together. We'll create another basket that will manage both entries as one position. If the pending entry is triggered and price goes against it, we'll set the profit lock to ensure the profits of the first leg will cover the losses of the new entry. This guarantees a minimum profit for the entire position, and our scale-in leg is now completely risk-free. Because the PL locker uses percentages for calculations, it can easily manage multiple orders at once to quickly find break-evens to unwind losing entries. Act as a governing stop, take profits, and more. The global profit locker acts on all tickets open on the pair. Here, we'll set it to lock profits for all operations. From this relatively simple example, you can see that because one ticket can be entered into multiple baskets, alone or in combination with other tickets, we can build incredibly versatile and customized management strategies, tailored to respond to several market threats or to capitalize on any number of opportunities. This one entry now has 6 different ways it may close and includes an additional scale-in leg, which also has its own unique management rules. We can now safely walk away from our charts, and whichever scenario occurs in the market, The basket that is designed to respond to that scenario will do so, keeping our trades out of trouble and maximizing potential profits. Hopefully, you now have a sense of how relying on simple stops, take profits and pending entries is far too simplistic to trade effectively. In today's markets, gaining a technological edge is becoming a necessity to compete and trade successfully. Fortress can instantly breathe new life into struggling traders, or make successful and experienced traders much more efficient to optimize returns, all while offering increased freedom from our monitors. So what are you waiting for? Head over to arxzm.com now to learn more and to try Fortress for free.